There's a spider on your head.
What?
There's a spider on your
Look,
head.
I am sorry. I'm not up on all this jive-talking homeboy lingo. What's that supposed to mean? There's a spider on your head.
It means there's a spider on your motherfucking head, man.
Well, get it off! Get it off! Get it off! I ain't touching that shit! Get it off! 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 Get it off!
Yo, that's a big fucking spider, man.
Oh, shit!
Nick, it's just a spider.
I'm a scat man.
No, don't go crazy. This shit is hilarious. Yeah. You go crazy. It's a spider. Oh. Hold on, let me focus. Let me focus on this shit. You got the hot foot. Yo, Nick, get on the good foot. Get on the good foot. Oh, got it.
I'm a scat man. I'm a scat man.
Welcome to hell, bitch. Car, keys, wallet, now. You hear what I said? Okay, now you listen good. It's a gun. Okay, don't be fucking around with no gun, white boy. Keller, I'm talking to you. Can you hear what the fuck I'm saying?
Boy, you picked the wrong guy on the wrong day.
Shit. You gonna try to lock me? Unlock the door. That motherfucker got the door! Got the door! You're driving on the sidewalk, man. People got to walk there. Pull over, man. Wait, what? Pull over. Yo, man, there's a truck. I said, yo, man, there's a truck. Yo, man, there's a truck right there. Stop!
What about my wallet? You wanted to rob me, didn't you? Yes, I distinctly remember you wanted to rob me. Here's my wallet. You want it? Here it is. Here.
What?
Here. Right out there.
What you doing, man? That was money.
Oh, I'm sorry. I got something else for you.
I'm blind. I can't see shit. The honey took my eyes. The honey's gonna love my eyes.
There's too much shit out there to stress you out. This whole world is just drug infested, hate infested, drug infested world. Hate drugs. I heard the worst drug story. You know what my friend told me? You know what he's dealing with? His landlord is hooked on crack. That's terrible. That's pressure. If your landlord's hooked on crack, that means you've got to have the rent. He come around all the time. I got the rent. It's not even due yet. It's the 10th. Come on, I need it. Let me just get $20 of it now, and then just give me the rest of the end of the month. Every couple hours. Hey, look, I'm gonna need some more of the rent. This building's falling apart. Things came up. Comes home early from a party. Landlord's in the crib going through his shit. What are you doing in my house? Ah! Where's the sink? I came to fix it. It's in the kitchen. I thought it was in the drawer. I'll fix it tomorrow when I come for the rent. You know what I hate about drugs? I hate when like people my age and older get hooked on crack. I hate that shit. You're too old to be experimenting with the drugs at a certain point. You should be past that. You ain't doing it by a certain point, you just miss it. Drugs are really for old people anyway. You 75, you've earned the right. Shit, if I was 75, I'd do coke, heroin, everything. I wouldn't give a fuck. I'd be walking down the street, they'd be like, boy, that old man is tripping.
Where you from, huh? That French bar to Compton? What's that you claim? You don't know who you messing with, man. I'm deep in the streets. I slap people for fun. That's what I do, man. You wanna play rough? Huh? Okay. Who you messing with, man? I kill for fun.
I'm not gonna hurt anybody. I don't want no trouble. No trouble. I'm sorry. I just want some chips. I want some chips. That's all. All I want some chips. See, the chip. That's it. Turn that over, man. It's burning. It's burning. Turn it over. It's burning. I just want some chips.
Everybody wants you to trust them. McDonald's got 2 windows. 2 windows. One where you pay, and the other one where you get your food. I'm like, man, if I give y'all my money, I want my food, man. Same time, same time!
Get down, grab it. Put some damn clothes on. Get your butt naked ass down. Get your butt naked ass down.
He's butt naked and he's stinking. Oh, somebody get him some clothes.
He's hiding the gun in his ass. Get on the ground. Now, that's it. Do it now. Don't I know you? Please. Cuff him. Yeah, cuff his ass. Yeah, I'm cuff you like that, clack. All right, now I'm the good cop. You act up, I turn it to the bad one.
Freeze! Atlanta PD! Get on the ground! Hands behind your head! Fingers laced! You better lace them! Lace them!
Shoot the gun.
Okay, all right, ready? Here we go. Damn it! I pitched it! I pitched the inside of my hand! I don't think the sight on the gun is quite calibrated. The way I was shooting, it looks a little...
Yeah, it's off by a centimeter or two.
You right-handed or left-handed? You were doing both. You're ambidextrous. That's why I like shotguns. I'm more of a shotgun specialist because I need both in my hands. Because my upper body, I've been doing push-ups. So I think all my strength is up here. That's why when I get a gun, it has to be a little heavier. Oh, yeah. Now we're talking. The street sweeper. Just like Fallujah.
Just like Fallujah.
My nigga. Denzel, training them. Hey, you might want to step back a little bit. This thing got a little kick to it, okay? Freeze! You better stop before I put a hole in your back. Or you think it's a game? Oh, it's on now! Oh, shit!
Got a little bit of kick to it.
My stomach and my ass.
Oh, yeah, you ready for